Hey guys, Henry from Adventure Air here, and finally we got the airworthiness certificate for the ELA here. It was kind of a pain in the butt getting that. A lot of paperwork stuff with the FAA, but we finally got the airworthiness, and so we're going to take her up on a test flight and see how it is. But it's a beautiful machine, isn't it? Pretty gorgeous there. Yeah, I love the way this thing looks, and we're going to check out how it flies. So let's go do it.
And Chino Tower, gyro 897 Alpha Charlie, holding short 26 right for right close traffic.
Air 897 Alpha Charlie, Chino Tower, no delay, fly runway heading, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 26 right, runway heading 7 Alpha Charlie.
Helicopter 6 Victor Papa, runway 26 right, cleared for the option.
All right, we're in flight mode.
6 Victor Papa, cleared for the option, 26 right, we have the traffic.
Thank you.
Cherokee 157 Charlie with you.
Cherokee 8157 Charlie, Chino Tower, roger, remain east of the wash on your left base to runway 26 right.
Remain east of the wash, 57.
Helicopter 6 Victor Papa, gyrocopters departing prior to arrival. How many laps are you looking for?
Probably about 4 or 5 for 6 Victor Papa.
One 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220. Here we go. Stick coming back.
Helicopter 9 Hotel Tango, traffic after right on the north down has you in sight for 26 right, 1,400 indicated.
Traffic is so David.
57 Charlie, you're following a helicopter on the north down to beam the approach end, runway 26 right, clear to land.
All right, you ready to go up?
Cherokee 157 Charlie.
57 Charlie, sorry about that, go ahead.
Cherokee 57 Charlie, number 2, following a helicopter about to be on a right base, runway 26 right, cleared to land.
Number 2, following helicopter 26 right, clear to land, 57.
Gyrocopter 7 Alpha Charlie, how many laps?
Just 2.
Gyrocopter 7 Alpha Charlie, make left traffic, runway 26 left, contact the South Tower, 120.12, 2012.
2012, 7 Alpha Charlie.
Correct.
November 7 Alpha Charlie, turn left crossing, make left traffic, runway 26 left.
Left traffic for 26 left, 7 Alpha Charlie.
Traffic.
Number 83 Delta, extend upwind to the power lines.
Upwind to power lines, 80 Delta. I got out of control there for a minute.
So to 0 Kilo Sierra, continue at that altitude and I will call your base. Traffic will be below you at Gyrocopter.
Continue altitude, you will come left, you will come base, 0 Kilo Sierra.
0 Kilo Sierra, and it'll be for runway 26 left, unable 26 right at this time.
26 left, 0 Kilo Sierra.
Number 06 Lima, traffic 11 o'clock in a mile, opposite direction Cessna for the field. Remain south of finals until past the 15 freeway, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, looking for traffic, 06
Number 83 Delta, cross and turn approved.
Cross and turn, approved, 80 Delta.
Gyro 7 Alpha Charlie, there's a Cessna head slightly towards your right at 2,100 indicated. Do you have it in sight?
I got him in sight, 7 Alpha Charlie.
The 7 Alpha Charlie, are you able to follow them?
I sure can.
Thank you. November 0 Kilo Sierra, change to runway 26 right. Northside can accept you. Change to 26 right and continue downwind.
Continue down in the running, change the running 26 right, 020.
November 020, thank you. The north controller will call your base. Contact tower north, 118.5.
Contact tower 118.5, 020.
And over 7 off Charlie, the Cessna is now for the north side. You are number 1, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
Clear for the option, 26 left, 7 Alpha Charlie.
Number 83 Delta, number 2, follow a gyrocopter, stop to beam the numbers, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
Number 2, 26 left, clear for the option, gyrocopter inside, 83 Delta.
Thank you. Tower 7 off Charlie, traffic over the wash is a Cessna for the parallel runway.
7 Alpha Charlie. We're going to do a vertical descent to land.
November 7 Alpha Charlie, when able, turn crosswind. Number 2, follow Cessna short base. Runway 26 left, clear for the option.
Turn crosswind, clear for the option, 26 left, 7 Alpha Charlie. You all right back there? All right. Gonna make a sharp turn left.
Traffic.
This is 83 Delta, number 2. Follow the gyrocopter short base final, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
Number 2, 26 left, clear for the option, 83 Delta.
Traffic. Traffic. Traffic.
Chino Tower, Cessna 2340 November, inbound from the 9115 interchange Sierra, looking for touch and goes.
Is it number 9340 November calling Chino? Number 2340 November, Chino Tower, enter a left base east of the wash for runway 26 left.
Hey guys, all right, so we just got back from the flight and it was pretty awesome. All the electronics on this thing are working perfectly. I was checking the transponder with the tower. Tower said it was working well. The ADS-B in and out, so I do have traffic on the screen in front of me for ADS-B in, and the ADS-B out is working as well because I checked it on the computer using ADS-B Exchange. So transponder is working, ADS-B in and out is working, all of my engine instruments are working. I did notice a little bit of body shake in it and a little bit of stick shake. So we are going to work on that. Basically, we're going to take a Dynavibe, which is a device that kind of measures the propeller and the rotor, and we're going to kind of get it perfectly balanced so we get that little bit of body shake and a little bit of stick shake out. But other than that, this thing is sweet and it's ready to go. So come on out here and see us at Adventure Air and we'll show you the ELA.